Alrighty guys, today is the day. Today's the day where I'm gonna be installing the aftermarket wheels. So I'm gonna be taking it to the shop to have it to have the tires mounted, balanced, aligned, and basically everything for $279. I've ever purchased tires from them. So my only main issue is that I'm trying to make everything fit in the car. I should put this up in the front. So what I'm gonna be doing is just trying to remove this seat, the rear seats. This. There you go. And go on the other side. And then I'm gonna put this off to the side, like right here. And then see, I have to bring the hub-centric rings and these lug nuts because the OEM lug nuts are not gonna fit at all. So I'm just gonna be putting them right here. Oh my lord, it fits. So that's what I'm probably gonna be assuming, is that it's gonna start fitting like this. Oh man, like I'm just glad these are in boxes. But once these tires are off, I'm gonna be putting them in the trunk for sure. I don't want to like make the interior dirty. So. Oh, by the way, I also purchased bumper fasteners right here. I'm not sure you guys can see. Yeah, I purchased silver ones. I purchased like 2 packs, so it comes with 8. So I'm gonna have 2 in the front and 2 in the rear. So I'm gonna stop by the bank and pull out more money and then head down to the shop. So I'll see you guys there. And that was automatic. I wish it was manual.
I got a 2002 BMW 5-speed, 5 Series.
Bro, that thing is clean. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm trying to get some coilovers on there.
What kind?
Racelands.
Oh, dude, I wouldn't purchase Racelands, dude.
No?
No, those are bad brands. They're lower end of brands.
I was just only trying to spend around that price. That's why.
Ah, so wait, what's your budget?
Like 4.
You should try looking at True Hearts. They're like inexpensive as well. So that's why I have.
What is it called?
True Hearts.
True Hearts.
Yeah. You'll see it once you jack it up. You see the coilovers.
I'll be looking out.
All right. And dude, he's gonna drive my car too. I like your car. Ooh.
I put the team on my back. I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap. Nobody ever gon' challenge me. Starting my week on a Sunday. They think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off. Waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around. Never be turning around. Ayy. Never be slowing it down. Never be slowing it down. Ayy. I keep my foot on the gas. I keep my foot on the gas. Ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash. I know I'm never gon' crash. Ayy. Never be turning around. Never be turning around. Ayy. Never be slowing it down. Never be slowing it down. Ayy. I keep my foot on the gas. I keep my foot on the gas. Ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash. I know I'm never gon' crash. Ayy. Everyone making excuses. I've been busy making music. They just wanna see me fall off. Know that I'm never gon' lose it. Got addicted to the chase now. People saying that I changed now. Know that I'm never gon' stand still. I'm treating the game like a race now. They really been carefully watching me. They treated me like I was calories, but really they can't get enough of me. They treated me like I'm a salary. They bringing me up in discussion. They wondering how do I do it so casually. I celebrate all of my victories. All of a sudden they all gonna be mad at me. Damn, I don't have time for concern. I just go living.
That's right. If you're a police officer, firefighter, or work for a nonprofit, federal programs are still available.
Wait, let me get in front. I want to record this.
Student Home Relief wants to give you free information on all the programs that can help. Call now 800-374-0311. 800-374-0311. 800-374-0311.
Those are 15s. So you're saying I have more space to go lower? Okay, cool. I like that. Yo, that suck! Yo, that suck! That looks so nice. Oh, I love that tuck.
Hey, that's how
Free security scan at
I'm a guy up the clock.
Yo,
Good job, bud.
I'm rubbing, huh?
Hey, just pull forward slow off the block. Not shooting at you, watch out. They're not, no. Roll off them slow.
Oh, wow.
You're revving for sure, man.
Don't worry, I'm good. I'm Gucci. I got fasteners. I have fasteners right there too. I'm good. Yo.
Alright, go.
Wonderful, bro. Look at that shit, real nice.
The hell, we're rubbing too. No rub gang right here. Yo. I'm satisfied. I'm so, yeah.
Good job, buddy.
Thanks, bro. Wait, what's your name?
Robert.
Robert. Thank you, bro. Damn. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Look at how this looks. Yo, this shit is dope as hell. Alright, you guys, so I'm back from the shop and I was trying to clear out some problems when I was rubbing. While I was rubbing, and I was rubbing like crazy. And I found out I was rubbing on this portion of the frame and the clip right here. I moved it forward. I moved it up basically. And I cut out a portion of the metal right there in order to have clearance within this radius. The tire's kind of pretty dirty, but it's okay. So I'll show you guys on the other side. So this is how it looked way before I started doing the damage. So I have to basically bend this portion outwards a little bit and then bend this piece in, and I have to cut a portion of this of the bumper right here because the wheel was also rubbing right here. And you guys can see the fitment is actually pretty good. Fenders are rolled, that's pretty good. The front, I'm checking the front. I don't see anything wrong with it except for this. Yeah, it's just this portion that's rubbing. Yeah, so I'm trying to fix this right now and trying to get back on the road. I'm so excited because I want to wash this car as well. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so happy now. Let's see the aftermath. Jesus Christ, my hand hurts. I cut my hand too. I think I broke a fingernail right there. But anyways, I was able to get the bumper fasteners on. This one is pretty loose, but it's okay. So I was able to cut the portion of this out. And then you go to the rear, able to cut that portion out and hammer in the metal piece. Like, I like how it looks so far. I wish it just could go lower. But sadly, the turn radius for the fender is going to be off. I don't want my fender to come off. Ah man, I just love how it looks. Like, I just love the tuck look. If I have bags, then I would go like lip to fender, but this is static. No need to go lip to fender. There's a lot of things I need to do to this car. I need to replace the rear bumper too. It's hella fucked up. I'm so satisfied. You know, the funny thing is, they gave me free lug nuts because the other ones couldn't fit, and they gave me free lug nuts. I was like, yo, and they gave me chrome valve stems. I was like, yo, you guys are lit. Like, I appreciate the people that I went to. They're very helpful and thankful that I came. I just love how it looks.